Our next chapter is about oxidation reduction, and I will go and give you a short introduction about oxidation and reduction. Most of you already know that many metal rusts, like iron, can become iron oxide, iron trioxide, and that will be the sort of reddish color that you see in fences or maybe any metal. That will be rusting, and that will be an oxidation process. Let me give you one definition of oxidation and reduction. Always oxidation will be losing electron. For instance, the iron metal in the ground state, the oxidation state is zero. Let me make a zero, making sure it's zero. So the oxidation is when the metal, like iron, will lose electron, becoming iron cation. For instance, it can be 2 positive or 3 positive, depending on the reaction, and that will be losing 2 electrons. This process is what we call oxidation, this concept that we have here. And reduction will be the process of gaining electron. For instance, let's say chlorine in a gas state where the oxidation number is zero, chlorine can gain 2 electrons. Why I'm adding 2 electrons? Because we have 2 chlorine in the molecule, and then they become the 2 iron chloride. So notice that the reduction, this is reduction here, is gaining electron. So in other words, the process of oxidation is losing electron by any species, and the process of reduction will be gaining electron. And that will be an important definition that you will be using. Sometimes you cannot see the electron, how many electrons are losing or gaining, but you can use the following number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, that will be oxidation number. It can be also negative oxidation number, like this, -1, -2, -3. So any species that will increase the oxidation number will be experimenting oxidation. Like iron. Iron is going from 0 to 2 positive, so from 0 to 2 positive, that will be oxidation. And any species that will be decreasing the oxidation number will be experimenting a reduction. For instance, chlorine here is gaining 2 electrons, going from 0 to -1, go from right to left. That will be decreasing the oxidation number, and that's the way you will identify that the chlorine is reducing. In general, we can say that most of the metal, let's say iron, sodium also, another example is sodium. Sodium can go from metal sodium to positive sodium with very easy, that's a very reactive reaction. And the reason is because most of the metal tend to lose electron, while many or most of the non-metals tend to gain electron, and most of the metal experimenting oxidation, most of the non-metal will experimenting reduction. So this is just an introduction of the oxidation reduction chapter. We will continue working on balancing and redox reaction, the activity series of the elements, and some of the process that we can see and apply the oxidation reduction process. Like a battery are very a spontaneous process where they use a redox reaction. Electrolysis is a non-spontaneous reaction, redox, and we use that also for many industrial applications. Thank you for watching, and this is just an introduction of the chapter Oxidation Reduction.